In this video, I explain exactly how a tannin filter works to remove that weak tea color caused by tannins from your well or lake water for your family. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I simplify water filtration to help you conquer crappy water for your family. Every tannin filter has two tanks. The one with the control valve at the top is called the media tank. The other tank, it kind of looks like a garbage can with a lid that you open holding water softener salt, is called the brine tank. Whenever you run water in your home, the water flows through the valve and down through a bed of white beads. These beads fill about 2/3 of the media tank. As water passes over the beads, the tannins stick to the media and is removed from your water, making your water colorless. When the now clear water gets to the bottom of the tank, the water flows into the basket at the bottom of the riser tube and flows up through the middle of the riser tube through the valve, which measures how much water you're using that as it leaves the media tank. After several days of use, the tannin media beads are covered with tannins, which now needs to be regenerated or cleaned, removing those tannins from the tannin filter so it can continue to remove the tannins from your water. The valve then automatically triggers the regeneration process, which typically happens at night and consists of 5 cycles. The first is backwash. The valve reverses the flow through the media tank, so now the water coming into the media tank flows down through the riser tube and out through the basket and expands the media to fill the whole tank and flushes all of the debris out the drain. Meanwhile, in the brine tank, you have water and salt. The water absorbs the salt, making brine. Next, the brine from the brine tank is sucked up into the media tank through this 3/8 inch tube. As the brine runs over the media beads, it releases the tannins and recharges the media while flushing the tannins to the drain. Next, again, the media beads are backwashed fully to remove all the brine and flushed to the drain. The valve now shifts the flow back down through the media beads and back up through the riser tube to settle the media beads back into place. The valve puts the right amount of water into the brine tank to make the correct concentration of brine for the next regeneration, and then put your tannin filter back into service. Looking for more information on tannin filters? Check out our websites, waterestore.com in the US or waterestore.ca in Canada. We offer free shipping and discount pricing. Click here for your next video on tannin filters, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.